Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another AliExpress unboxing. As always, if you think you can guess whatever is inside the package, pause the video and drop a comment below. Alright, let's get unboxing. This package took around 3 weeks, a little over 3 weeks, and some of the stuff inside this package, the rest of the stuff I unboxed on one of the previous videos. So that's one package. There's another one, and that's the third one. Does this package look a little familiar? If it does, you should probably be able to guess what's inside here. In one of my previous videos, I unboxed exactly the same type of package. Voila. I hope you could guess what was inside here. So it's just headlights for a motorcycle. Yep. These headlights are supposed to be a little bit brighter than the normal one you get with your motorcycle. So headlights. Let's take the next package. Let's go with this one. All right. As you can see, is some type of GPS. What is the easiest way to open this? That way. All right. So you can see it's two cameras on the screen. So it's some type of motorbike camcorder. But it does have a GPS as well. It's the GPS here. Let's just continue unboxing. Okay. All right. So this is the thing itself. So this is the screen. This thing is supposedly waterproof. Okay, cool. So in here you have the micro SD card, and let's pop it to see how big the SD card is. Holy, I have thick fingers. Okay, I have let's use the knife to get it out. Okay. The micro SD card is 64. The micro SD card is 64 gigs. Let's put it back. Okay, it's back in there. This goes in here. Then you press it down. And then you push the button to lock it. So now this is locked. And you can see here you have four buttons. M, I don't know what it stands for. Left and right, and on and OK. What happens if I press the on button? Nothing happens, which means this thing needs power. So it needs to be connected to your motorbike, and it only turns on once your motorbike is on. But also in the box we do get the two cameras. So these are the two cameras. They're supposed to record full HD. At least that's what is written on the box. At least that's what is claimed by the seller or the manufacturer, that these two cameras record full HD. And what else do you get? Then you get this remote control. It has Wi-Fi, whatever this button does, and then camera and lock. Those are the three. And it says that it has a GPS, and in the back there's some type of glue. If you peel this, you can place it on your motorbike, so it stays glue. So it stays and I guess this is what's going. Yeah, so this part is you're gonna attach it to the red. I like that everything's color coded: red and blue, and blue with the USBs. With the USB, I didn't see any USB anywhere. Or was there a USB? Anyway, so these three here, at least these two, I'm pretty sure one of them goes in the contact somewhere in your bike to get power. I don't know what you call those things. What do you call those things inside the connection that you have to tap to get the power? It's the same connectors you have in the cars as well. Anyone that knows, leave a comment below, please. And this is the bracket that goes here to attach it to your bike. I kind of wish this was just clip, then so when you're leaving you can unclip it and remove this one and unplug them, and just take the monitor with you, and when you want to use it, you clip it back and plug the monitor, because everything is color coded to be taken out and put back together. Because with things like this, if you leave them on the bike, yeah, they may disappear. One more cable, yellow cable this time, and then a bunch of screws, Velcro, and a user manual. Look at that. It's in English as well. I was about to say this is the most Chinese thing ever, to just ship things with just Chinese, but have to give it to them. You have the English side, which is cool. Alright, that was the second package. Let's move it on the side. to have a look on the last package. By the way, if this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel. Remember to ring that notification bell as well to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. The same goes for you. If you're already subscribed, do ring that notification bell as well, or make sure it's clicked on, so you get notified every time I post a new video. Alright, let's get to the last package. Well, we've seen these two before, haven't we? I know you have if you've watched my other videos, my other unboxing. Yeah, by the way, I have more videos on my channel, so once you finish watching this, go watch the other videos I have on my channel if you haven't watched them yet. Ta-da! So the one who have watched my other videos, I'm pretty sure you could guess what's inside these boxes. It's this little thing that you can hang on your property or on your farm to scare stuff away. Like it can scare wild animal, or it can also scare humans, or alert you that somebody is on your property. So let's check if there is any juice. All right, that's enough. All right. On one of my previous videos, I do talk a lot more about this one. For anything I have unboxed here. If you want to see the review of these things, do subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is activated, so when that review get dropped on YouTube, you get notified right away that there's a video. Alright, if you're still here, thank you for sticking with me to the very end. If you loved the video, smash that like button, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Be part of the Panda Maze squad by hitting that subscribe button. Remember to ring that notification bell to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, keep it real, and I'll catch you in the next one.